Hello, Steve.
Hello.
Thank you for today. You sharing a lot of about cocoon.
Thank you very
So
much.
we
My
just
honor.
we just talk a lot about the cocoon.
Yes.
So could you tell more about what is important technology of cocoon for health?
Oh, great question. The collection of technology that is in cocoon for the body health is most important because the cocoon is a health machine, giving you big wellness and greater health so you can live long, be nice, have a nice body, and a very good brain. Okay? So let me show you some of the most important technology, the science of health.
Yeah, thank you.
So we'll call it the science of health. To have a healthy life, to have a healthy body, you must have exercise, and we call this hyperthermic. Hyperthermic exercise, or hyperthermic conditioning. So we must have a form of exercise. We are making the cocoon, so it is even, they call it passive, but it's bringing to my body much exercise. So passive, so I'm not moving, hyperthermic exercise. That's the first principle of cocoon. Next, the body must have good nutrition. So you must have good food. We know that what we eat is giving me energy, or in today's world, we eat too much packaged food called ultra-processed or processed food that has many artificial ingredients. When it has artificial ingredients, it's not good nutrition. It gives a confusing message to my brain, and maybe I eat too much. I become addicted to food. And many of the food companies, they make that, it's not good. They make it so that you want to eat so many chips. Oh, I want to eat the cereal with too much sugar. So, we must see how can we have good nutrition. So we need to have the exercise for the body, we need the nutrition. Also, in nutrition, we need light. And I will talk about that in a minute, what I call sunlight. But really, the most important is what I'm going to share with you today called infrared wavelengths. Okay? So 1, 2, so nutrition, what I eat, and the light also is energy. So this is infrared wavelengths equals energy into my body. Last, the third thing that you need, sleep. So 2, because sleep gives your body recovery. Okay? 1, exercise, giving my body the chance to increase metabolism. 2, nutrition, what I eat. Also, what is coming into my body from the photons, infrared photons, like from the sun that gives my body energy. But finally, I need to sleep. While I'm sleeping, my body is recovering, preparing for the next day. It also is important to have good sleep because when you're sleeping, your brain is slowing down and your brain cells becoming smaller, squeezing out the bad chemicals from your brain. If you don't get the good sleep, it's not relieving your brain from the bad chemical, and over time your brain becomes polluted. It causes neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, bad memory like dementia, Parkinson's disease, what is called Huntington's, Rett syndrome, even addictions. So all of these are new 21st century problems because we are living longer, but no meaning to live long if we do not have a healthy brain. If I have a good body, but no, my brain is not healthy, bad life. Or if I have a good brain, but my body is now in pain and problem, also no good. You must have healthy brain, healthy body together. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I will show you this now, the energy of the photons for the science of health. This is what is most important in the cocoon. So you know the cocoon is looking like this. Here's your cocoon. Okay? And inside the cocoon, you have a nice screen. It's like this. And I get to cocoon. How does this machine make my body healthy? Do you know the cocoon is like the incubator for the adult? Just like the same, we have the small incubator for the baby. We use the baby incubator because if the baby is coming too soon out of the mother, oh, what can we do? We must make them still grow and again become healthy like when they're inside the mother. So when I originally invented the cocoon, I made the cocoon so it looks natural, inviting, really looks nice for you. When you go in the cocoon, your body is like this. Here's your head, here's the body, here's your legs, and in the energy inside the cocoon, we're having what I call infrared wavelengths, infrared. And infrared is our photons. Photons. The same as the energy coming to the sun, but it does not the type of energy that's causing your skin to become tan or burn. No. I will erase the cocoon. Well, here, I will show you. So the infrared is like this. We have what's called the electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. And this is all the energy coming from the sun. Over here, we have the cosmic rays. We cannot see them. If you have cosmic rays coming, if we do not have the ozone, we would blow up. Too much energy. We also have gamma rays. Also very. Next, you have the X. We know about X-rays. We know in medicine, the X-ray is coming through the body, and all I can see is the bone. Too many X-rays is not good for the body. This is very, very powerful. Okay, after X-rays, UVA, UVB. We cannot see it, but this is the energy from the sun that's causing my skin to burn. Too much in the sun, oh, I'm getting very dark. And actually too much is causing my skin to burn. Because also this is very energetic, like that. The frequency up and down very, very much. But after UVA, ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, then we have visible spectrum. And what is this? This is blue, Okay? Now I can see blue, 400 nanometer. I can see the green, probably like 520. I can see yellow. I can see the orange. And I can see red. Red is usually about 610 to 700 nanometer. Okay, and orange, okay. Oh, I can see it. This is the only energy I can see from the electromagnetic spectrum is only the visible spectrum. All right? Now, what comes after? Let me show you. This is too strong, too strong. So I will take it out of the cocoon right now. I don't want any of that. So next, after the visible spectrum, which is the blue, the yellow, the green, the yellow, the red, then we have what is called infra. I-N-A, infrared. It begins at 720 nanometer. Infra means after. After red, which red is from about 610 to 700, I can see red. I cannot see infrared. But it's also photon energy. Remember, these are all photons coming into my body. It is energy for my body, just like when I'm eating food that is nutrition, if I'm receiving the correct energy from the light,